Good morning, dear student. Myself Binod Singh. Today I will discuss to you cytoplasmic organelles. That means you have discussed some cytoplasmic organelles in before classes. First of all, we know what is a cytoplasmic organelles. The cytoplasm contain various cell organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosomes, centrioles, and various functions of cell depend upon the activity of cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum, in short form ER, endoplasmic reticulum is found in all living cells. First of all, you know endoplasmic reticulum is found in all living cells except prokaryotic and mature mammalian RBC. Endoplasmic reticulum is also form extensive membrane network of the sheets within in cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum is large network of membrane bound tube and sheet. It looks like tubules are round up oblong bags. That means you can know vehicles. The endoplasmic membrane is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum, in short form RER, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that means SER. RER looks rough under a microscope because it has a particles called ribosomes. That means RER endoplasmic reticulum attaches the ribosomes to its surface. The ribosomes, which are present in all active cells, are inside a protein manufactured. The protein manufacturing sent to various places in the cell depending on need using the endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps to manufacture a fat molecule or lipid important for cell functions. Some of these important for cell functions as like protein and lipid helps in building the cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis. Some other protein and lipid functions are enzyme and hormones. Also, endoplasmic reticulum varies greatly in appearance in different cells. It always forms a network system. Golgi body. First of all, we know Golgi body apparatus. First describe the Camilo-Golgi. It consists of system of membrane-bound vehicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. These membranes often have to connection with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packed and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Its main function include the storage and modification and packaging of product in vehicles. In some cases, complex sugar may be made from simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also involved the formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Lysosome helps to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. Foreign material entering the cell such as bacteria or food as well as old organelles end up in the lysosomes, which break them up into small pieces. Lysosomes are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all organic material. During the disturbance in cellular metabolism, for example, as we when the get cells when we get the cells, Golgi apparatus are especially developing glandular cells because secretion of metabolism it also the major function of Golgi apparatus. The lysosome's main function is digestion of material in the cell, hence these are also called digestive bag. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by destroying, that means digesting, worn out cell organelles. Old organelles, foreign substance, this process of digesting solid material by lysosomes is called phagocytosis. Lysosomes helps to damage may burst and the enzyme digests their own cells. Therefore, lysosomes are known as suicide bag of the cell. Structurally, lysosomes are membrane bound sac filled with digestive enzyme. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouse or power plant of cell because these serve to produce energy of the cell. Mitochondria are known as powerhouse of cell. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, that means adenosine triphosphate molecules. ATP is known as energy currency of cell. The body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compound and for mechanical work. Mitochondria have two membrane covering instead of just one. The outer membrane is very porous while the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reaction. Mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense they have their own DNA, dinucleic acid. DNA full form dinucleic acid and ribosomes. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their own protein. Plastid, plastid are found in only plant cell. These are double membranous organelles which contain their own DNA and 70 S types of ribosomes. Plastid are present in only plant cell. Plastid are not found in animal cell. There are two types of plastid, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast will also, chromoplast, colored plastid and leucoplast, colorless plastid. Plastid containing the pigment of chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plants. Chloroplasts also contain various yellow or orange pigment in addition to chlorophyll. Leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oil, and protein granules are stored. The internal organization of plastid consists of numerous membranous layers embedded in the material is called stroma. Plastid are similar to mitochondria in external structure like the mitochondria. Plastid have also their own DNA and ribosomes. Vacuole. Vacuole are storage sac for solid or liquid content. Vacuole are small size in animal, while plant cell have very large vacuole. The central vacuole of some plant cell may occupy 50 to 90% of cell volume. In plant cell, vacuole are full of cell shape and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Many substances of importance in the life of the plant cell are stored in vacuole. These includes amino acid, sugar, various organic acid, and some protein. In single cell organisms like amoeba, the food vacuole contain the food item that the amoeba has consumed. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuole also play important role in expelling excess water and some wastage for the cell.